Yo, what's good? In this video, I'm gonna go into the live markets. Essentially, I'm gonna take a trade in front of you, but obviously I'm not here to flex on you like all these fake gurus do. Like they just take trades and never teach. I'm gonna actually teach it to you. I'm gonna take the trade, do a recap, and teach it to you step by step so you can start doing this every single day. Okay, this is very simple strategy. It is currently month of July, so I'm going to most likely risk less, but that's also education. But let's get into the markets. Enough talking. The markets is literally about to open in 20 minutes. Alrighty. I just sold the markets, man. I just sold the markets on S&P 500, looking for the price to go down rapidly. Sold right here. Why? Because we got this 15-minute tap into the order block, break structure to the downside after that. Pretty much a continuation of the trend. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna quickly put I got filled right here. I'm gonna put a stop loss above this order block, and I'm going to target. I could target this, but I'm going to target only 1 to 2.5 arm. Actually, a little bit further. 1 to 3 is good enough for me today. Oh, we got some volume, though. We got some volume. This is fast. Hope you guys can hear this music. Hey. Big banks are entering the market. I didn't close yet. I'm not emotional, but that doesn't look like it hit the TP. Normally, I would have closed before, but listen to these tunes. Listen to the tunes, bro. Listen to the tunes. Are you ready? Hold on, 1 second. Hey. Hey, what is this tune? I haven't heard about this one yet. Hey. TP hit, baby. Okay, trade recap, obviously, because as I promised, bro, in the beginning of this video, I'm not just going to, show me, make money, etc. I don't want to do that, okay? I want to actually teach you and make this video valuable, okay? Because, let's just get this done because I want you to learn, all right? So, as you can see, PNL, $1,017, but the net, so what I actually made was about $948.04. All right, but, let's call it 950. All right, but regardless, essentially, as you can see, US 500, S&P 500, this I de-risk. As you can see, if you have watched my videos, you know that this is a de-risk. I risk less. 2 reasons I'm going to show you. First reason, July, okay, probably the worst month after December to trade, right? Because lower volume, the banks are kind of slow, etc. Everything is kind of slow. People are on their vacations, etc. Right? It's gonna be slow, right? You have seen it. Second thing, absolutely dog shit price action at the middle of the session, right? In the middle of at the time where it should be peak. Okay, they should be moving a lot. Session open, bang. We took actually some lows, if I remember. No, I think, yeah. We continue here. We took out this low right here, but then we push a little bit, as you can see. Then we continue this cycle of downtrend, okay? Pretty much, it was moving sideways, right? After, like, we took liquidity moving kind of sideways, etc. Then we start to gain some momentum to the downside, low lows, low highs, etc., right? The downtrend movement, we have to be following the trend, obviously. But there's not much, like, there's momentum in the trend, but there's no volume, as you can see. It's like, it's not moving that much. But then we start to actually gain the momentum. How? Well, we actually broke structure nicely in the 15-minute time frame to the downside right here. This down candle close below this low, right? That's a break of structure. It leaves behind this bearish order block, which is the last green candle after the break of structure to the downside. So naturally, that will leave the order block. We tapped into that, and immediately we get a push down. One more break of structure in the 1 minute time frame. That's what I usually like to do when I want to follow the trend. Only one break of structure. But if it's a liquidity sweep, then we need to see 2 break of structures in the 1 minute because it's a market structure shift. But this is just following the trend because, this is the 15 time frame is bearish, everything is bearish. So I enter right here, got a nice fill. And this is a perfect sign of a perfect entry. Why? Because the big banks literally, we want to do this like them, okay? We enter when the pressure gets big. Okay, the pressure gets big to the downside, and big banks see that shit, bang. Okay, could have targeted this liquidity. However, like I said, July, there's chances of consolidation. Everything's like kind of slower. So I'm just going to take like a 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio. But man, beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Would take this again, and again. But like I said, lower risk than usual. Let me show you the PNL again. PNL. There we go. $950. So man, as you saw, pretty nice trade, okay, for the month of July especially. But if you like this video helpful, if you found this video helpful, I meant to say, then make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and share this video to a friend. And also, if you don't want to like live trade with me, you want to get my coaching, etc., one-on-one coaching, etc., really get my personal assistance with trading, so you're gonna become profitable, click the first link in the description. So yeah, man, apply for that. And thank you for watching. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.